Good morning, guys. So I've just literally woken up. I'm still in bed. And yeah, I've charged my camera batteries up, so I thought I would vlog today, like the whole day. It's Sunday, so I thought I'd take you along on my Sunday with me. That's the boys downstairs singing. Okay, let's go. So this morning, the boys have been up before me. The clocks went back last night, so I actually got an extra hour's sleep last night, which is amazing. So I had 10 hours sleep. So the boys are already up. So I'm doing my Bible study every morning.
I had a lion a bit more.
Did you have a lion too? So I do my Bible reading, Bible reading every morning. So I sit with whatever highlighters I choose that day, my study Bible, and my cup of tea. So usually I like to do my Bible reading while they're having their breakfast or before they even get up. But today's a little bit different. So that's why you can hear Coco Melon in the background. And the boys are doing little activities. Put that tongue away, cheeky monkey. Put that tongue away. I can see today is going to be difficult. So I'm going to enjoy this cup of tea, read my Bible while the boys are playing, and then we're going to get ready for church.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Yeah, you go to church. I'm going to read some of my Bible, probably only a chapter today, because the boys are clearly in a lovely mood. And then get ready for church.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
So yesterday we went shopping to get some new wallpaper. So we got this stripy one. It's kind of a taupey colour, darker than lighter. I don't know if you can really tell on camera. But we got this. It's by Henderson Interiors to go on this back wall. Because yesterday we got this new leather couch. Well, actually it's kind of suede. Anyway, this wall is silver and it just doesn't go. So we also had dark grey curtains up, which I've replaced with these cream ones because they just go better with the brown couch. So then we're going to put up this stripy wallpaper on this wall, and hopefully it'll bring the room together a little bit, because we are just renting this house, so I don't want to do too much to it, but at the same time I want it to feel like home. The only thing that I'm worried about is that the carpet is grey, so I might put a big cream rug over this. Okay, so this is the outfit I'm going to wear today. It's just a cream loose fitting jumper, black jeggings, and then I'm going to just put on probably some boots or trainers because the weather is terrible outside. Let me show you. This is what we're dealing with. It's raining, it's grey, it's just awful. So I am just going for comfort on the style today.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world
So I've just had a text message from Donnell Mills saying that our kitchen blind is ready, because at the moment we don't have one up. With just moving in not long ago, we haven't got around to buying one, and now that the clocks have gone back, it's obviously darker by about like 4 o'clock at night, so I don't want to be in the kitchen making tea and everyone able to just sing in. So we're going to go collect that now and get that put up today.
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
So Dan's just gone in the shop to get some cough medicine because he's got a really tickly cough which has been annoying him for days. He's done a COVID test, he's absolutely fine, it's not that, it's just a cough. So we're just waiting in the car because Ryan doesn't want to go in the shop, don't you not?
No.
And then I'm going to run in Donnell Mill and I'm going to get my blind and have a little look at the Christmas things.
You know what happened to me? I hurt myself on the sin
And the chin.
and I bited it.
Yeah, Ryan has bit inside of his lip on the new couch, didn't you?
Yes.
Never mind.
Yes.
So the weather's totally changed now and it's like a gorgeous blue sky. It's still cold, but the rain has totally gone.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying
We are home, we've got the blind. We just went for a creamish colour because the kitchen is mainly creams, and then this horrible blue bench that we can't do anything about. So Dan is going to fit the blind up here and then we'll have a bit of privacy tonight, thank goodness, because yeah, it's been bothering me for weeks now. Here he comes, Mr. Dunder Mifflin. Okay, it is up, it looks good, and now we can have some privacy tonight. Okay, so for tea tonight we're having this mango chutney glazed chicken wraps. Looks quite nice, so I'm gonna start preparing that now.
I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Okay, so finished result, we've got the wedges and the wraps. We add the chicken, the lettuce, and then the mayonnaise and mango chutney. So yeah, gonna dig into this right now. So it's now evening, it is 7 PM and I'm just sitting here. I've got a nice cup of tea which is almost gone. The boys are in the bath upstairs with Dan, and I've just been doing some more Bible reading while I can. Whenever I get a bit of peace, that's what I try and do. So I'm just sitting here on the couch enjoying a little bit of me time, and then I'm going to watch Strictly Come Dancing, the results, just to see who made it through, and then I'm probably going to have a bath because I just feel like relaxing in some nice hot water tonight. And then I am going to do a little bit more of my Chuck Missler Revelation study. I've been taking notes and I'm planning on doing a Revelation series myself, kind of reteaching everything that I learned from Chuck and other people and just from my own studies. Yeah, I think that will be the next video up after this one, will be a Revelation study. So I'll say good night and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?